Hello, assalamualaikum guys. How are you? Hope you are doing well. So today someone has request to me. So please help me or guide me to how I can subscribe, how I can hide my subscribe count, because he, as per him, he told me he is facing problem currently because people are doing sub him and after that making to him unsub because of the less subscriber it is showing on his, like I'm showing you by this my channel, that you can click on here and you can find I have the subscriber on this channel, your channel. I have the only 3 subscriber on this one, so it is visible and everybody can see. When somebody will see the less subscriber, they will immediately make to unsubs. So it is a very easy step. Please kindly you follow, everybody follow these steps. So let's, without wasting the time, I'm going to show you how you can be hide your subscriber. So you have to do what you have to do. Go into the Chrome, open this Chrome and type here www.youtube.com. I have already placed this ID, so if you have another ID you can be place here that channel ID, your once you have the channel ID, and after that you click on this 3 button, you will be get this interface, and here you will be find desktop site. So make it in a desktop interface, so it will be open in this way. Okay, so it will be open like this, and after that you can click here. It will be a smaller very, but I will explain you, then you can be fine here. You can click on your channel, so you can see it is a visible still here. So click here and go into YouTube Studio. So I didn't install YT Studio, but it will work, don't worry. If you even don't have Y2 Studio you have installed, so it will open this interface, you can be see. And guys, left side you can be find downside. At the left side bottom you can be find here setting option. I'm clicking on this setting option. You don't try to be find on the upper part because you will be not find. It is a downside available in the left side down, very beneath, underneath. Okay, the setting will be open, then you click on the channel and then you can be find here advanced setting, and you can be find here subscriber count. It is already made tick, so make unchecked, and after that you can be find here save. Click on save this one. So your subscriber has been now hide, nobody can be see. Before it was visible, but now it will be hide. So we are going back to the YouTube and let's see is it work or not work. So guys, I'm opening this one. YouTube is already open, and you can be check here your channel. It is hide now, nobody can see my subscriber count. So hope guys you like this video. If you have any technical issues or any technical problem, please write down in comments what kind of troubles you need the solution of your trouble. So I will definitely work on that and I will make one video for that one. Please subscribe my channel if you like this video and share with your friends and keep watching. And one thing important, that please press the bell icon so you can be get notification as early. Stay happy. Allah Hafiz fi amanillah.